In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Downstream O2 sensors on your Chevy Colorado. This is located underneath the vehicle and part of the exhaust system. Let's get started. I'll be using an O2 sensor socket that has a slit on one side to allow us to go over the wire. This is a 22 millimeter or a 7/8. Once we get to a certain point, we do need to pull the ratchet off. We can remove the O2 sensor socket. I'm going to use a fork style trim tool and pop the clip off for the O2 sensor connector. And pull the insulation off. Can pull the green tab out. We can then pull outwards on this tab and out on the connector. It can help to twist the connector counterclockwise, and then you can start to spin the sensor itself out, and we can remove the sensor. You can remove the plastic cap from the sensor. Get the O2 sensor up into place. Get the O2 sensor socket in place. Can tighten that down and remove your O2 sensor socket. And get the O2 sensor connector plugged back in. Get the green tab back in place, lock that in. Get the heat shielding back over the connector. And we'll get that back onto the transmission. Start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.